In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a domain from Google Workspace. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything goes smoothly. Start by navigating to the Google Workspace homepage. You should be familiar with this if you manage Google Workspace for your organization, but in case you're not, simply search for Google Workspace in your preferred browser and click on the link that takes you to their official site. Once you've reached the Google Workspace platform, sign in with the Google account that has administrative privileges to access the settings you need to modify. Selecting the right account is critical because only an admin can make changes to domain configurations. If you're prompted, enter your password to verify your identity. This step secures your account and ensures that only authorized personnel can make modifications. After entering your password, click on the Next button to proceed to the Workspace dashboard. The dashboard acts like your central command center for managing the various settings and configurations of your Google Workspace environment. You're now ready to move forward. Next, direct your attention to the Accounts section. You can find this by clicking on the navigation menu within the admin console. Just look for the option labeled Accounts. Clicking on this will give you access to an array of account management tools. Now that you are in the Accounts section, the next step is to locate and click on Domains. This section is crucial as it handles everything related to domain management within Google Workspace. Once you're there, you will have different options concerning the management of your existing domains. Select Manage Domains from the menu. Here you will be dealing with all the details related to your domains, including any additions, removals, or tweaks you wish to make. As you're planning to remove a domain, look for the option to deactivate it. Click on Deactivate. This action is vital because it sets up the domain for removal. Be sure you are ready to proceed, as deactivating a domain will remove its functionality within Google Workspace for your organization. Finally, click on Deactivate Test Domain Alias, or whichever domain you are planning to deactivate. This final click will remove that domain alias from the list, finalizing the process. Once deactivated, the domain will no longer be active or in use within your Google Workspace account. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a domain from Google Workspace. Always ensure that you truly no longer need the domain, or that it is no longer in use within your organization before proceeding with removal to prevent any disruption in your services. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching.